Hey guys, today is September the 3rd of 2013. It's roughly 7:20 a.m. Central Time. The U.S. session is about to start, and I want to go over to Euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. And know that this is an educational video only, so consult a professional financial advisor. I just give you my ideas, or I see support resistance, and what possibly the Euro could do. And knowing that might not come to uh, actually come to pass. So sometimes it's a hit or miss. But know that trading the forex is very risky. So please consult someone professional for guidance. With that being said, let's get to the charts. As you can see, euro has been failing this angle right here, and it's probably going to be your next support if it ever gets down there. It's going to be that 31.24 or tomorrow 31.28. I was hoping for the euro to kind of snap back and kind of give me a retracement so I could get on it, but it never did. So what I did was I got short at this angle, which is a 32.18, and it's playing out pretty good. But tomorrow, according to my calculations, if you look at my previous posts, I have a couple of dates lined up there that could be support, and if other things happen, then there's going to be other dates to watch out. So let's get it. Let's see some other charts and see what else the euro is doing. That's pretty interesting. On the monthly grid, I just want to let you know that this angle of the 61.8 3053 is going to be a strong support angle. So if it ever gets there, this is a monthly chart, so just keep that in mind. If we were to get down there, it could be some kind of support, so it'd be good. At least you could take half or trail your stops. What else I wanted to show you? 724. This is a Fibonacci level, which is the 3162 or 68, which coincides with the first impulse wave right here. So this was September the 17th and the 14th, where this first wave kicked in. And we're right here in the September the 3rd, and we're trying to stay above it. So keep that in mind, that if it can't find support at that 3168, 62ish around there, it's going to hit hard, and it could probably hit the next measured move, which is 3069, and then the 2952, which is a 2.618 Fibonacci level. So we'll see on that. What else I wanted to show you? Monthly spiral levels. You see that also we're at the pink right here, so it's trying to find support at the pink level. But if it fails that, it could probably hit 31.29 and bounce over here on the green line, depending what day. So we'll see on that. Let's see. And my Andrews pitchfork on the monthly. Remember that? I've been saying that if the euro is going to be strong, it was going to dance on this angle going higher, and that hasn't happened. So the September candle is here. Now it has to get up here, deal with that resistance, and get above it, and then deal with this resistance to try to get to 37.10. So it's having a tough time trying to get even to 37.10 to retest that high, unless it's going to trend sideways to get to this 37.10. But the opposite way is that it could just trend lower and test these lower levels here. So you're going to probably find support at this angle right here, which is 3140 on the monthly candle, and then see what's going to do there. But those are the big picture. So that's what's telling me that it's weakness on the euro. Can't even keep the angle with the momentum to the upside. Let's I don't think there's anything else on my scalping thing here. As you can see, we're just chopping it away here, hitting these angles, spiral levels, and this is where we're at right now, bouncing off of this one, trying to at least dance to this vibration level, 3176. So this is the lowest it's been, 3158, and this is kind of acting as support to spiral levels at 3165, which coincides with the 31. So it's all fractal, guys. It's all related. Everything is just microscopic at different levels. So if your mind could be open to that, then trading levels and shorting supports and bouncing, going long on resistance or support, it just seems logical. because I feel everything is interconnected with these markets. So let's glance this chart. Let's get right into it. Let's see what's going on here. I'm already 5 minutes into this video. As you can see in the market profile, this peak right here in volume is already showing some kind of support right here. So it's coinciding with my day tomorrow that this thing could pop, and it's a possibility. So I just want to show you also the linear regression line. It's already right here. It's at this channel. You fail at 50, but doesn't mean it could get back right on top of it. You fail the linear regression line here, this middle orange line, and the 20s here. You're in Mobo, so you in bear land. And let's see if we can move this up a little bit. Support down here will be your 20. You got the 100 right here. You got the Fibonacci level. You got Woodies. You got the end of the Kumo cloud. You got a monthly support there. And you got the value area low on market profile. So there's going to be a lot of support here. So if you're short, I recommend you keep an eye between today, tomorrow, and the 5th, because there's going to be a lot of bulls showing up when these things get hit. It might be a lot of buy orders here. So I am watching it like a hawk. If we look at the weekly, let's see what we got going on in the weekly. Get real close. As you can see, Kumo is already showing you some weakness. You see my other videos, I talked about that a little bit. You're already pierced into the Kumo cloud. So it could be choppy, it could be wild. You got a Fibonacci level right there as support. You got the 20, I'm sorry. You got the 50 right here. And you got this end of the Kumo cloud. You got the 100. You got the value area low market profile. And if it gets really crazy, you got the Kumo bottom cloud right here as support. And this level right here should be interesting. That's that 3041 with the 100 and the value area low on the market profile. And you got the Ichimoku indicators or moving averages at 3098 around there, trending here. You got support here at the 20, 31. So keep an eye on that. Let's look at the big picture and see what we got going on there. You guys know the drill: monthly, weekly, daily, and the 12-hour. We'll start with the 12-hour. Weakness. Cherries building up right here, showing some kind of support system happening. And weakness on Mobo. CCI is trending sideways. They're all embedded on the lower register or on the lower rail. So that means the bear trend is strong. You're getting some cluster signals here, back and forth on the Fisher, and the latest one is going down, so it's showing still some weakness. You're having issues here because you can't even get above the 20 on the MMG, so very oversold, but bearish trend strong, and you're getting some divergence already right here on the short TTM shortwave. You got some yellow bars going up or prices going down. Negative squeeze play. You see that the squeeze play is triggered right here, green dot, and right there you would have gone short. You would have hit big because the momentum was to the downside. Thermo is telling you the trend is negative on the 12 hours, so stay short. On the daily, you got the 50, which has been failing it. It's at 3110, I believe, somewhere around there, or 3180. I can't. Let's see, 3194.90. So that's it's having issues with that. It might probably go and test that again, and if it fails it again, it's probably going to come down even stronger. But we'll see. Team on the dailies negative here. No cherries here like here. So you see that here on the 12 hour is finding a base. This is trending sideways. Fisher's negative. MMG is negative. TTM shortwave negative. You got the squeeze play to the downside, so that's negative. And you on thermal, you're building some reddish color. So this could probably reflect that over there, over here, which is building up. Weekly sell signal. You could find Fibonacci level right there as support, 3130. TMA on the weekly is already telling you stay short because it's negative. MACD on Mobo is negative. This indicating there could be a snapback between tonight or tomorrow, so you got to be cautious. If it fails, then it's going to push lower. Fisher's already telling you, the trend is changing on the weekly. This is negative, and the squeeze play was to the upside, but we got a brown bar, so that's negative, and that's showing negative. On the monthly, you got a signal right here that weakness is setting in, but you got that Fibonacci level there, so you got to keep that in mind. You got two cherries there on TEMA, but the trend is still stronger to the upside on the monthly. That's positive, and you can see a snapback signal already setting here, and that's what had me concerned on the CCI. And this is sideways, kind of sideways. This snapback is to the upside, and that's showing weakness there. So that's my thoughts between today and tomorrow. Actually, more tonight, tomorrow. There could be a turn, and it could be a short-term turn. So that's my thoughts. Watch it like a hawk, and kudos for those that shorted it from the top and rolled this bad boy down. And I'll see you again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.